Samsung is expected to launch the Galaxy Tab S10 series later this year, unless the company decides to make any changes to their plan. As of now, there isn't much information available about the Galaxy Tab S10, as the rumor mills have been rather quiet. Regarding the pricing of the upcoming Galaxy Tab S10 series, it's highly likely that there will be an increase in price compared to its predecessor. The reason behind this assumption is that the Tab S9 base price was increased by $100 across all three models, which was unexpected since the Tab S8 had already seen a $50 price increase compared to the Tab S7. For reference, here's the starting prices of the Galaxy Tab S9 series. Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 $800, Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus $1,000, Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra a whopping $1,200. It's expected that the Tab S10 series will be priced similarly, if not higher. And if you're still here, give me a subscribe because that would make my day. While we expect the new version of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S series to be released soon, it's unlikely that there will be any major changes in the device's design. The current Samsung Galaxy Tab devices are already high-end, and Samsung has already switched to OLED displays for all Galaxy Tab S9 models. The latest Galaxy Tab S9 tablets are equipped with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which is similar to the one present in Samsung Galaxy S23. It's also expected that the upcoming Galaxy Tab S10 series be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, which is already available in the market. And if you want to know everything we know so far about the Galaxy Watch FE, watch this video afterwards. And please take just a second to support me by subscribing to my channel and liking this video and perhaps sharing it with interested friends. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.